Hello. Okay guys, this time bibigyan naman namin kayo ng idea about eating out in Singapore. Generally, how it looks, pricing, and the taste. So for this time, we eat here at Chimichanga. It's a Mexican restaurant. So for our first order, it's nachos with guacamole. This one is beef tacos. And then we also ordered quesadillas. There, wait, kamay ni Hani nakaharang. Yeah. And then this one is buffalo wing. So taste-wise, masarap lahat ng food nila. In fairness naman, tama lang yung lasa, hindi sobrang anghang, hindi sobrang alat. Masarap talaga. Price-wise, it depends. Kasi kung heavy eater ka, you might want to order more. Which is, mas mapapamahal ka. Pero, you might want to consider yung ibang dishes na lang nila na mas heavy. Like rice, burrito, ganyan. So, ito na price reveal how much nga yung binayaran namin for this meal. I could say na ito na yung typical pricing ng eating out sa mga mall restaurants here in Singapore. Like, depende sa preference nyo, may mas mahal, may mas mura. But roughly, yan yung average.